Welcome back everyone, it is me The Rock, back at it again with another videos.
Wait, The Rock? What are you doing here? This is my YouTube channel. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. That was weird. Anyways, if you wanna know how to make a YouTube video or be a YouTuber, you've come to the right place. First of all, there are many different types of YouTube videos you can make, but today we are only going to be talking about a few of them. Specifically gaming, vlogging, reactions, and unboxings. First, we are going to be talking about gaming. This is one of the easiest types of videos you can make. It is easy to record and edit. You can play whatever game you want and have people watch it. The second one is vlogging. All you have to do is hold the camera up to your face and telling the audience literally anything. This could be how you got ran over by a car, or that you got 12 more followers on Instagram. The third one is reaction videos. They can be easy to make and get pretty popular, but there is one problem with them. Reaction videos usually consist of YouTubers taking other people's videos and then criticizing them, which can make the original owner of the clip feel bad. The fourth one is unboxing. This style of video can get really popular. You and a lot of other people might like the video, but I can almost guarantee your bank account won't. This video concept requires you to buy many products that could add up into a lot of money. So now that you have a few popular video ideas, you need to figure out what you're going to do to record it. There are a few ways of recording videos. If you need to record the screen of whatever device you are on, you need to use a screen recorder. There are a couple ways of doing this. You can either download one or use a built-in one. If you're not recording your screen, you can just use the camera app on your phone. You can also buy a high-end video production camera, but those are expensive and kind of unnecessary for the average person. Now that you've recorded the video, you need to edit the video. Much like the previous section, there are many ways of doing this. You can use a built-in one or you can download one. Most of the video editing softwares out there are good, but some are better than others. Most YouTubers buy video editing softwares and edit their videos on their computer. This, however, is unnecessary. There are many free video editing softwares on your computer. If you do not want to edit videos on your computer, this is fine as well. There is a wide variety of free video editing softwares on your phone. Most people would use iMovie because it is simple to use and they don't have an Android phone. I don't find that this editing software is bad, but there are better ones out there. I would personally recommend InShot. It is what I use to edit this video. After you're done editing the video, one of the most important things to do to the video is actually upload it to YouTube. Some video editing softwares will give you the option to upload the video to YouTube after it is done saving. If this is not the case, it is still easy to upload the video to YouTube. All you have to do is click this plus circle at the bottom of your screen, then press upload a video. This will bring you to a page that will make you select a video. After this, it will play the video so you can make sure there are no errors. Then go up to the corner and click the white next button. This will bring you to a page with all the important details. This is where you can edit the title or add/change the description. You can also change the visibility of the video to public, unlisted, or private. After you're done messing around with the settings, you have to go up in the corner and click the blue next. This is where you change if the video is made for kids or not. Then after all that, go down to the bottom of the page and click the big blue upload video button. After you've done all that, the video should be uploading onto YouTube. You will have to wait a couple minutes for it to fully upload. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed and hopefully you learned something new.